Hello. Welcome back to Channel 360 Review. We review tools, software, and applications that suit you. This time I want to review a theme called Voxel. Voxel is a dynamic WordPress theme which is used a lot to make directories. Directories can be made with Voxel Builder or Elementor Builder. Let's see an example. This is an example of a directory. Here we can see a directory website, where we as a consumer can find the place we are looking for. For example, here book places to stay around the world. We are looking for a book place. If you are looking for it, just enter it here. Enter the date and how many people. This is a booking place, booking a place like a hotel or accommodation. Then below there are various room options which can be chosen by the consumer. This is an example of a booking place. This is a directory for a restaurant. If you are looking for a restaurant around you, you can use this theme. So this theme can be used from here. How much is the price? This is the price. $49. $49. $149. $399. There is one site. The lowest is one site. The highest is lifetime deal and unlimited site. This price is maybe at a promo price. Here we go back to the docs. How to install first. I have installed the Voxel here. If you want to install this Voxel, as usual, add new theme, because it's a theme, not a plugin. Then upload themes, enter the Voxel file here. Install now. After installed, I activate the Voxel. Activate here. What must be remembered is that this Voxel will not work if there is another plugin that is not compatible. For example, Lightspeed plugin. This is not compatible with Voxel, so it must be deactivated first. We go back to the themes. This is already activated. Then this is already in. We go to onboarding. Directly onboarding. Then start setup. There are options, Voxel, Elementor, Elementor. I choose Elementor. Then this is the license key. Enter your license key from the purchase here. Later given a license. Enter your license. Then the environment. How to directly produce or staging first development. I just go straight to production. Verify. Then we import the demo. Wait a few minutes. Just a moment. There is an attachment file, which is not so much. Around 120 file, at most 1 or 2 minutes. It's done. So we just wait to import business directory. So here this demo. There are various options. So there is a choice of business directory booking places. Then there is a business directory. This business directory looks like this. We go to the home page. This is already done. So with the Voxel theme, you can easily create a local business directory website. such as for restaurants, schools, hotels, or tourist attractions, and even for game choices. Everything can be made with Voxel. That concludes this brief review of the Voxel theme. I hope it is useful for all of you. Keep up the great work.